everyone. So today I will be giving another summary problem about cooling and humidifying. So the problem is air at 32 degrees Celsius, driven temperature and 50% relative humidity is cooled and humidified to 20 degrees Celsius, driven temperature and 75% relative humidity. Find the mass of water added per kilogram of dry air. So the given are dry bulb temperature 1, which is 32 degrees Celsius, dry bulb temperature 2, which is 20 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 1, which is 50%, and relative humidity 2, which is 75%. And by using psychrometric chart and by plotting this given, we will get the specific humidity 1, which is 0.011, and specific humidity 2, which is 0.014. So the solution is we will find the mass of water. So formula will be m sub w is equals to w sub 2 minus w sub 1. So by substituting this 0.014 minus 0.011, we will get 0.073 kilogram water